Hey guys, this video is going to be a little bit different, right? I want to talk about my coaching program. Now, my coaching program has changed so many people's lives, right? And I don't want to bore you with that. You can see that information literally if you click the link in the description where it says work with me. If you scroll down, you'll see some of my testimonials, right? The reason why my coaching has changed so many people's lives, right, is because I have found the secret formula to make money online. And it is one of the best business models to do because I have tried so many different business models. If you guys aren't aware, I've done dropshipping, I've done affiliate marketing, I've done YouTube full time, I've done TikTok, I have done absolutely every single business model, right? And what I've realized after doing these business models is that none of them give you freedom, a lot of them require a lot of upfront costs, and none of them are actually scalable, right? And that's when I started a coaching program, a one-skill consulting business model, which has completely changed my life and allowed me to live here in Dubai, which you can see from the backdrop, and make well over 6 figures a year, right? And not only that, not only am I able to live here in Dubai, and not only am I able to, make 6 figures a year, but guys, I have freedom. I can live where I want. I can go where I want, right? I don't have to be tied down to one geographical location. The way my business model works is that means that I can do everything from my laptop, live where I want, and just basically have freedom. I get to wake up when I want, don't have to answer to anyone, don't have a boss, literally live the best life possible, right? And if you guys don't know my story already, I used to work a 9-to-5 job in the UK, and I know how hard it is, and I know how much I hated it, right? I used to answer to a boss, I used to go to work, get paid $2,000 at the end of the month, work 40 hours a week. It was terrible. It was one of the worst experiences of my life. That's why I moved to Dubai. That's why I started my own online business. Now, if you guys are watching this video, you've probably been watching me for a while, right? You've probably been watching me, maybe some of my content before, or some of my videos before. If you have, right, and you've been watching a bunch of my videos, and you've stumbled across this one now, and you've not taken any action, well, I'm giving you an opportunity to take some action, right? Because the time for watching videos, the time for, learning information and value just from videos alone isn't gonna cut it anymore, right? You guys want to actually change your life, right? You guys want to actually make money. You guys want to stop watching and start basically doing. So this is why I'm talking about my coaching program here. My coaching program is one of the best coaching programs out there, okay? And I know that might sound cliche and I know that might sound biased, right? But hear me out. The reason why my coaching program is one of the best coaching programs out there is because I work with you on a one-to-one basis. I work with you and help you transition from your 9-to-5 job to owning an online business that can generate you well over 6 figures a year. And the reason I can do that is because I've come from that background. Literally just 2 years ago, I was working 9-to-5 job. So I am not that far from actually working 9-to-5 job. And literally 2 years later, I now own a 6-figure online coaching business. So I can show you how to transition from a 9-to-5 employee to making 10K a month on an online business. I can help you get that started. I can help you identify your skill. I'll be working with you on a one-to-one basis on a 3-month program, right? Which means every single week we'll be jumping on a call and I'll be telling you exactly what you need to do and how you can actually use this to start making money, right? And the level of support I give you is beyond most coaching programs, right? A lot of coaching programs, to be fair, is just courses. Now, I don't actually believe in just courses alone. I think courses are great if you use them. However, there has to be a human element to it. And this is why my coaching program is very, very different, because I work with you on a one-to-one basis. Not on a group program, not on just putting you on courses. I work with you on a one-to-one basis, okay? Which means that I can literally get you results much quicker, much easier, and you will literally have a lot more clarity compared to just watching some videos or compared to just jumping in a group program, right? And I don't do group coaching, I don't do courses. I work with you on a one-to-one basis and I give you training and teach you exactly what you need to know, how to make 10K a month and literally scale you from there, right? Now, if you are interested in joining my coaching program, which again will change your life, click the link in the description where it says work with me, right? Book in a call with me. We'll jump on a call. I'll see exactly where you are currently. And if you're a good fit, we can decide to work together and I can scale you to 10K a month. Don't waste any more time. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, if you're not happy, if you want freedom, if you want to live in a place like Dubai, which is where I am currently, join my coaching program. I'm going to work with you on a one-to-one basis. Me and my team will be taking care of you. We'll be helping you. We'll be helping you build your business, showing you exactly what you need to do. And honestly, guys, you will not regret it because it will completely change your life. So again, if you are interested, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll jump on a call with you and let's get you onto the program.